here coming at you from Chino, California. Today my buddy and he's on a 2018 Road Glide Special. I think I hear him. We're gonna be going out with the ST, taking a look at how these two bikes look on the road and see what's up. Oh, there he is right now, coming at you. Of course, he's got to have an entrance. Really, he sees the camera and he knows already, so. What's up, buddy? What's going on, bro? All right, so before we head out, we got to get the cold start. But before that, let's check out the Road Glide Special. So, Drago, what talk about some of the upgrades you've done, some changes to it since you got it.
It's 2018 Road Glide Special. I went ahead and put the 2-to-1 Python exhaust and changed out the this area. I forget what those are called, the lower fairings.
Hey, you ended up putting that pipe on your own, huh?
I did.
Yeah,
I did. Changed out the intake to Harley Davidson. Paid the Harley tax on it. Got the extended bags right here.
Oh, right here. Check this out. So, you had to cut this yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's crazy. I bet you were clenching while doing that, right?
Yes, sir. We got the Hogworks tri-bar extension in the rear. As long as they're bags, that's where I got them from.
That seat too, right?
Yeah, the seat is Drag Specialties.
All right. So you're thinking about probably switching out to what, Saddleman maybe?
Yeah, I was thinking about maybe changing out, like testing it out and seeing how it goes. But overall, the seat's pretty good. It's got a nice backrest right here going on, so just little things just to make the rider.
Yeah. So I'm thinking of I have to get a freaking better seat out there too. Probably Saddleman. I don't know. We'll probably check some out together.
Yeah. Dude.
So
I got the Vindica hoop special bars, something like
so
that.
we actually just put that one in how long ago? It's been a week maybe?
About a week going.
Right? So I don't know, what made you choose that one? What's up with it?
Before I had the Factory 47 14s, and you see them on every bike, and I actually bought those bars before I bought the bike because I knew I wanted those bars, and you know what, I just kind of got tired of it. I wanted more of like a T-bar setup, so
yeah,
this is nice because you don't have to go with these feel like a traditional T-bar do, except you don't actually have to do the risers and stuff like that, which is a lot of money, as you guys know.
Right. So
we're just gonna try them out and see how it goes.
I like it. Man, the freaking ST has a long way to go. All right. Well, let's hear a startup. It's not a cold startup, right? But I think let's take a look at it. I love it. All right. Okay, so if you don't mind starting mine up. All right, let's go ahead and get on the road.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pain.
So we are at Lifestyle Cycles. I've never been here before.
Anaheim, California.
Dude, They got a lot of stuff right here, man. I didn't even know they had bikes. Look at that. There are more bikes upstairs, huh? You wanna go see? Yeah, how did they get them up here? Oh yeah. Let's check it out over here. Not bad. Dope, dude. How you feeling, man? I feel like my buddy's gonna be real friendly today and hook it up.
Damn, you want the chaps too? What? Go Power Rangers.
Right there. Eat some tacos.
What's up? Get them tacos, get them beers going.
And then you're good to go. All right, so what? A little bit of a late Christmas present, but it's cool. I like it. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Now, where are we going to next?
Probably Cycle Rider or Harley. I don't know. We'll see. See where the road takes us.
All right, but fun ride. Bikes feel great, sound great. So let's see. Now we're gonna go to Cycle Rider, find one nearby, and see if we can find a helmet for the wifey. All right, so we're headed to Cycle Rider. We'll take the streets that's nearby. What's up?
Cycle Gear.
Cycle Gear. All right, let's hit the road. Came to Cycle Gear. Couldn't find the helmet that we were looking for the wifey, but we're gonna go ahead and head back to Chino and take a little bit of a scenic route. Let's go. Alright, so we made it back to home base. Drago is gonna be heading out now. Fun ride. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Guess we'll ride again, and maybe we should do some test pulls next time. Some like 0 to 60, or you know what I'm saying? Side to side, both bikes, see how they do.
Stay tuned and find out.
That's right. Awesome, guys. Catch you on the next one. Make sure you stay up to date with what we're gonna post and whatnot. We're gonna do a lot more things with these bikes. Like I said, we're gonna start putting on some upgrades on the ST as well. So we'll see what works, what doesn't. But we'll catch you guys in the next one. Al out. All right.